This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with the essential checks. Confirm your Windows build in settings so you know compatibility, then make a quick restore point in case an update misbehaves. Once done, open Settings, go to Update and Security, and click Windows Update. Click Check for updates to let Windows fetch drivers it provides automatically. This step often resolves common hardware issues because Microsoft distributes WHQL-tested drivers. Make sure your PC is plugged in and on a stable network before proceeding. Now handle device-specific drivers through Device Manager. Press Win+X and choose Device Manager, then find the problematic device, network, GPU, or audio, and right-click to update driver. Select Search automatically to let Windows query Microsoft's catalog. This works for many peripherals. If that fails, select Browse My Computer for driver files and point to a downloaded vendor package. Make sure to install 64-bit drivers if your OS is 64-bit, and restart after installation so devices initialize with the new driver. Finish by using vendor update tools for the newest drivers: Intel Driver and Support Assistant, AMD Adrenalin, NVIDIA GeForce Experience, or your laptop maker's support app. Install drivers from those tools when available, then reboot and run a device manager scan for hardware changes. Test the device thoroughly: audio, display, or networking. If something breaks, roll back the driver in Device Manager or boot into safe mode to uninstall the faulty driver. After that,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.